Earlier this week, we looked at genetic diseases that were caused by abnormal numbers of chromosomes, diseases like Down syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. But some genetic diseases are caused by not abnormal numbers of chromosomes, but problems with the chromosome structure itself. And any problem with the chromosome is known as a mutation. A mutation is simply a change in the genetic material. Right now, we're going to take a look at 4 common types of mutations so that in class we can delve into different diseases caused by these mutations. First type of mutation is a deletion, and this mutation is exactly how it sounds. A portion of a chromosome breaks off and is lost. So in the resulting chromosome, some of the genetic material is no longer present. These mutations can be very serious, causing fairly complex physical and mental problems. A duplication is actually the opposite of a deletion. As you can see here, a portion of the chromosome has actually doubled and been inserted into the same chromosome. This portion that was duplicated may have come from a broken sister or homologous chromosome. In an inversion, a piece of a chromosome breaks off, actually flips upside down, which is what inversion means, and then reinserts itself back into the chromosome. These mutations are not always as serious as deletions or duplications because the chromosome is still intact and the genetic information is still present, but in a reverse order. Our final mutation is a translocation, and this is different from the other 3 mutations in that we're dealing with 2 different chromosomes. Chromosome A is from one homologous pair, and chromosome B is from an entirely different homologous pair. And you can tell that because these are of different sizes. Now what's happened here is that a portion of chromosome A and a portion of chromosome B have broken off, and they've actually reattached to the wrong chromosome. Here you can see that chromosome A now has a portion of B, and chromosome B now has a portion of A. Now that we know these 4 basic types of mutations, we'll be able to study the diseases they cause in more detail in class.